457B to Gold IRA conversion, the 2025 retirement strategy. The financial climate in 2025 is defined by inflation, unstable markets, and increasing global uncertainty. As a result, many public sector employees are turning toward the 457B to Gold IRA rollover strategy to safeguard their retirement savings. Moving from a market-based 457B into a Gold IRA allows savers to anchor part of their portfolio in physical, inflation-resistant assets. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Why consider a 457B to Gold IRA conversion? 1. Protection from inflation. Gold preserves purchasing power even when currency values fall, offering long-term stability. 2. Diversification. Adding precious metals reduces market exposure and provides a strong counterbalance to stocks and bonds. 3. Hedge against uncertainty. Physical gold remains independent of political and market turbulence, serving as a reliable defensive asset. 4. Tax advantages. A properly executed rollover keeps tax-deferred growth intact and avoids penalties. How to convert a 457B to a Gold IRA. 1. Verify plan eligibility. Most rollovers are allowed after leaving your employer. Some plans allow in-service transfers with restrictions. 2. Choose a self-directed IRA custodian. A qualified custodian manages compliance, coordinates the rollover, and ensures IRS rules are followed. 3. Select a direct rollover. Direct transfers avoid taxes and withholding, making them the safest and most efficient option. 4. Purchase IRS-approved metals. Choose gold bars or coins that meet IRS purity requirements. The custodian arranges secure depository storage. 5. Review and adjust regularly. Monitoring the account ensures that your Gold IRA stays aligned with long-term retirement goals. Key considerations for 2025. 1. Market volatility. Economic cycles are unpredictable in 2025, making gold a useful stabilizer during fluctuations. 2. Fee transparency. Custodians and depositories vary in cost. Clear, itemized fees prevent erosion of retirement savings. 3. IRS compliance rules. Only specific metals qualify. Using non-approved metals risks penalties and tax issues. 4. Security of storage. Your metals must be stored in an IRS-approved depository for full compliance and protection. 5. Timing matters. Although gold is stable long-term, purchasing during dips may maximize overall value. A 457B to Gold IRA conversion stands out as a prudent retirement strategy for 2025. As inflation rises and markets fluctuate, shifting part of your savings into physical gold can provide stronger protection and lasting value. With proper planning, transparent fees, and a trusted custodian, this rollover can enhance financial security and create a more resilient retirement portfolio. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.